12 Days of Beardsmas, day number 5. That means we are more than a third of the way through this series. Let's enjoy it while we have it, you guys, because it doesn't come around until this time next year. So if you are excited, please hit a thumbs up for me. We're going to give you yesterday's giveaway winner. We're going to drop a new giveaway today. We're going to talk about a company. And first, we're going to hit you with a history lesson from someone that has facial hair at some point. Now, today's is a little bit unique because the other ones we've covered are long gone. This is someone who is currently living. I like to switch it up and give you people that are current, that are ancient, super ancient, some that you've heard of, some that you don't know. And I have a feeling a lot of you know about him, but I promise to bring some new information to you. And that would be today, our facial hair figure of the day. Boom! Ryan Fitzpatrick, aka Fitzmagic. Now, again, you likely have heard of this guy, but he is so interesting. Just wait for this story and kind of really cool facts that are in there. He is a current NFL quarterback, and he's not just any NFL quarterback, right? It's not like, oh, this is a sports guy with a beard. No. Hold on, trust me on this one. He has a unique NFL record of throwing a touchdown pass for 9 different teams. That's amazing. Most players in the NFL don't even make it 9 seasons, and he's been successfully, for the most part, on 9 different teams. Now let's go back to the start. He was drafted in the 7th round, the last round of the NFL draft. He was the last quarterback taken, and he was taken as this, kind of just giving him a shot. He wasn't this huge, player that we all thought was going to change the game. But with that draft, out of all of the quarterbacks taken, there are only 2 that are left. That would be himself and Aaron Rodgers. Kind of interesting. All those other picks, including the first round pick, they're no longer here as playing in the NFL. Now, he was a pick from Harvard. Yes, that Harvard. He had nearly a perfect SAT score to get into Harvard. The dude's a genius. He has the 3rd highest Wonderlic test score in NFL history. And some of you are like, what the heck is a Wonderlic? It's a test that they give you when you're going into the draft just to see your NFL knowledge, your brain, just how smart you are and how it would translate to sports. So he gets drafted, and again, he's gone from team to team. He's kind of the guy that when they need a starter for a short amount of time, for a season or 2, he comes in. When they need a backup, when there's an injury, he comes in and he can be electric, but can also not be so great there. But he has some cool stats too. For example, he is now still currently the Jets franchise single season record holder for most passing yards. Now we're talking things like Joe Namath, right? We're talking some big names that are out there, and he holds that single season record. The game has changed over time. I know, I get it. Trust me, guys. We're not making this into a sports debate here. He also has a unique stat where he's one of only 6 quarterbacks to reach a certain milestone of passing yards and rushing yards for total career. I don't remember the specific numbers on those, but he's in the top 6. That is pretty dang cool as well. So he has played for all these teams, done all these amazing things, but get this. During his rookie year, he proposed to his wife at McDonald's. Yeah, McDonald's, he proposed to his wife. And not only just McDonald's, it was a gas station McDonald's. She said yes. They have gone on to have 7 kids. Now get ready for this last kind of mind-blowing stat here. All 7 of his kids have been born in different states. Wow. Most people have their kids born in the same state, or maybe 2 different states because they've moved. 7 kids, 7 different states. Now, he rocks a full beard. I will say I absolutely admire what he has done for facial hair because he's made it cool. He is a stylish dude. He is an intelligent dude. He is a great athlete, and he rocks a full beard with a big mustache. Different sizes and styles throughout the years, but he's become known for that beard, and I think that's helped acceptance. I think that's helped bring it mainstream, and man, oh man, do I really appreciate that. This dude's story is electric. Fitzmagic, guys. I love it. Okay. Moving on from that one, we are featuring back around again to Fable Beard Co. Danseed20 is your affiliate discount code. Please consider using that anytime you purchase from them, or use my link if you have some kind of other code or deal. Both of those do support the channel that we have here, and we'll talk about the giveaway and everything. But what we're going to focus on today is my favorite product that they've ever made, and this is their CBD oil, and specifically the grower. Now, this is only available in the United States currently because of silly, outdated CBD CBD laws, but hopefully that will change in the future. Guys, this is an apple scent. It is one of Sam's favorite smells in the history of my beard, in the history of her life, and I love it. I cannot get enough of this. It is just farm apple fresh. There's a little bit of pear in there. There's a little bit of oud, but don't make no mistake. It is an apple scent and it's really good. It's a medium thick viscosity. If I need anything thicker, this is literally my go-to. Love, love, love what this company is doing here. Okay, now let's flash back to yesterday. We had a giveaway, $50 to Dr. Nick's gift card here. Our winner through the random generator is going to be, boom! Congratulations, that gift card will be sent to your email. Now flipping to today's, this is our company that has a little bit different of a giveaway, and they are doing another one of their growth elixir. All times that we show this company, it'll be a total of 3. We're gonna give one of these away. This is a supplement for your beard. It's gonna help the health. It's gonna help the growth rate. It's just good for your beard, and it tastes freaking fantastic. Tastes so good. So how do you enter? Same rules for the most part with one little switch up here. Number 1, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Number 2, make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comment to put in your name or email. It's Gleam. Essentially, it phases out cheaters. It gets your email so that the companies can reach out to you, and we don't have to play that game of like, hey, contact here. Nope, they'll give it to you. They'll reach out to you. So that makes it very simple. And then number 3, I think it was number 3, the last thing you have to do to enter this giveaway today, you guys, is comment down below a positive thought, a positive experience you have. I want to put some positivity out in the environment. So maybe it was something that happened to you today. Maybe it was a thought that came to your mind. Just put something bright and positive. And of course, please consider commenting about the history lesson, about the company. All of that would add on and help what we're doing here. So thank you guys for watching. Good luck on the giveaway. My name is Dan C. Bearded, as always. And I hope that you guys stay bearded and stay positive.